So I'll start by cutting the zip strips off using my paper trimmer. Let's get started. So the zip strips are 1/2 inch. So if we bring it through and lay it over the 1/2 inch mark and come down with this trimmer, there is a fine line, a fine metal line that shows you exactly where you're cutting. So I line that up so that it's nice and even and cut them off. Done. And we'll put that aside. Line it up on the 1/2 inch. Sometimes there's a little bit of a give, sort of just because of the printing process, but if we line it all up perfectly, then you won't have any white marks on the zip strips. So we should have 6 zip strips that we have to cut. Done. So I now have 6 zip strips that I will put aside for later.